Carol, I got to say, I don't offend you, but Max looks like someone with a really cheap wig.
Well, I suppose he does.
Look, he looks hurt, doesn't he?
He does. It really offends him when people talk about him like that.
I take it the original stock did come out of China at some point.
Well, they say they were actually taken to China from Africa or somewhere like that. Nobody's really sure. And they were developed in China. That's what, as far as we can ascertain.
Well, this breed is very unique, and they're either a love or a hate dog.
And what is the reaction, the unconvinced?
The unconvinced that they can't stand the touch.
Oh, really?
Yes. Which...
What is?
Well, it is
It's
skin.
warm, it's slightly clammy.
Yeah, it is skin. And some people just can't fathom it. It just makes them feel ill, just to feel them.
Really?
Yeah, it does, yeah.
The other one that I suppose could put some people off is you do need to keep an eye on the skin for things like blackheads and so on.
Mm-hmm. That doesn't happen all the time in most dogs. Often around their teenage age group, maybe 6 to 9 months, they might have a bit of a breakout. Also, say, getting dirt in their skin and just, you know, being generally maybe not cared for properly.
There's two groups here that don't look related in the slightest form.
Mm-hmm.
What's the basis of all that?
They are the same, except they have hair.
So you have one with hair and one without.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a very good reason for that, isn't there?
Yes, because we need the powder puffs in our breeding program to keep our hairless healthy, I suppose, would be the bottom line.
Depending on how hairless the hairless is bred, is when you introduce your powder puff. But I usually use one every 3rd generation, just to keep the strength there.
They're incredibly warm to touch.
They're beautiful.
Like a hot water bottle or something.
Yes, lovely. Very much warmer. But they're no warmer than the powder puff. It's just that they don't have the insulation of the hair coat or any other dog for that.
So the upside is they feel warm, the downside is they must get cold more rapidly.
Yes, I suppose so, but in our conditions, really there's usually not too many problems with that.
Would they be mostly an indoor dog?
For most people they would be, yes. My dogs live indoors and outdoors. They don't wear jumpers and they stay quite warm.
From a heritable point of view, the Chinese Crested can suffer from luxating patella. This is where the kneecap grates in and out of joints. So if it happens, it's going to need surgery to avoid arthritis later on in life. Management point of view, well, the teeth can be appalling. So make sure you teach them from a very early age to eat raw bones. This will avoid a lot of the dental problems. Skin, of course, any pink areas, waterproof sunblock on sunny days to avoid skin cancers. And if they have oily or even acne-like skin, wash them in something like Pfizer Hex to keep the skin nice and clean and healthy.
If you've got one with a bit of pink skin and you put the proverbial sunblock on it, do they sit there and lick it all off or whatever, or what?
Yeah, they do it, but you have to be very vigilant with it. You know, you
Which
really...
would drive you nuts, really.
Yeah, that's right. You know, you're probably better off if they've got white on their back or something, just popping a little T-shirt on them. That's probably really the best way to protect them completely.
Now, the characteristics of the breed, if you've got one as a pet, what's it got to offer that other smallish dogs don't?
Oh, they're your babies forever. They really are. They are happy to sit with you wherever you are. They're very, very devoted. Hairless and powder puff. They're just constant companions. If you want a constant companion and you want a dog that really needs you, then this is the breed for you, because they just love their mums.